How to clean windows in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Mix the window cleaning solution. Start with an empty Ettore 3.5 gallon bucket. Add 1 gallon of water and squeeze in about 2 tablespoons of Ettore Squeegee-Off liquid soap concentrate. Step 2. Scrub the windows. Dip one of your Ettore washers into the bucket to apply the cleaning solution. Work from the edges towards the center, scrubbing in large circular motions. Step 3. Squeegee the glass. Starting at the top, squeegee off the cleaning solution horizontally, overlapping each stroke by 1.5 inches. Between each stroke, wipe the blade with a clean, dry, lint-free cloth. When you're finished, use the cloth to dry the edges of your glass.